How to draw Stinger Flynn, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing the outline of the top of Stinger Flynn. This will be where Stinger Flynn's eye will be. And if you are new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, on the inside of the shape that we just drew, we're going to draw the eye of Stinger Flynn. We're going to draw one circle that will be filled in completely black, with a second circle that is around it. Fantastic, so far this looks great. Now we're going to want to draw the stingers of Stinger Flynn, and we're going to want to begin by drawing 4 right beneath the shape that we just drew together. We will want to make sure that each of the stingers that we draw will have a small space in between them. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to color yours the same way that I do. Now last but not least, before we color in our drawing, we're going to want to draw 2 more stingers on the left and right hand side that will be pointing upwards. This is How to Draw Stinger Flynn. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like today's video. Great job today. See you next time.